First things first, you have to video an empty cup with your phone on it. First, make sure your camera is on a stand, a tripod stand. You don't move it. Then you place your finger on it. You video it first with your normal camera or any camera you want to use. Okay. Just the way I am doing it here. After doing that, you remove your hand, and then the next thing you remove the phone. Okay. And then still on the same recording, you record where you are going to be pouring water. Make sure your hand is up. The thing you're using to pour the water is high enough, okay? Not close to the cup. So see the way I'm pouring the water now in the cup. Then after pouring it to the quantity or the level you want, you still record it and then you save it. Now let's move down to Capcut where we do the magic. Choose new project, select that video, the video that you made. Allow it to load, and this is the video that we recorded. We videoed what we recorded. Okay, so you're going to check it, remove all excesses, those parts that are not going to be useful for this video. At this point you have to split the video. At this point now, where you have removed your hand, you split the video, remove your phone, and then you're also going to remove all these parts too, because you will not be needing it. Now, before you start pouring the water, when it gets to where the water wants to start entering the cup, you also split the video. Then you delete that middle part from where you remove the phone. The first splitting to this splitting, you are going to delete it because you don't need it. Okay, so you see I'm trying to make sure that everything rhymes, and I've splitted it. And then after splitting it, highlight the last video, the last place where the water started pouring from, and look for overlay. Click on overlay and it will go down. Then delete your Capcut watermark. Now take that overlaid video down to the beginning of the video, because the two video have to rhyme from where you started pouring the water and where your hand was pressing the phone. So here now I'm trying to remove the excesses, the parts I will not want for this video. So I'm going to highlight all of them and delete them, trying to check, make sure you check everything very well. That is why this video took time, because if you don't check it very well, here I'm deleting everything I don't need now, and make sure that the two videos will end at the same spot. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now is to highlight the second video, then go to mask, go down, scroll down, you will see mask. Look for mask. Okay, choose horizontal. Once you choose horizontal, remember you highlighted the second video, you choose mask and then horizontal. Once you choose horizontal, your interface will be like this. The two videos have been merged, so you have to use your hand to turn this line that you are seeing. You will now use it, you have to use it to arrange the videos so that they will merge together. See the way I'm turning it, you see that the one up, the hand is now coming out, meaning that the video at the bottom is the one where the water was pouring, and the one up is one where I placed my hand. So I will have to use that two arrow that you see there. After doing your video, you have to use it to blend the two videos so that it doesn't become so obvious that they were merged. Okay, so the next thing, after making sure that they have been merged properly, you have to make sure that they start at the same time and then end at the same time. Here I have not yet imported the sound. The next thing is for you to make sure that they begin from the same part. You play your video over and on. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to put the water pouring sound. Click on sound. Click on sound. Then the next thing is for you to, once it opens, make sure that your data is on, because you need to search for the water pouring sound online, see where they wrote search or enter a TikTok link. So I'm going to be typing it here. Water pour, water pour in cup. So I later thought of it and said, no, I want to get the correct sound, and I chose glass, water pour in glass cup. Okay, so whichever one. But once it loads, it finish loading. Once it's finished loading, you have to first of all listen to the ones you want. Once you select the one you want, it will appear here. Don't forget to increase the volume to 1000. Then you play again from beginning, and you see that the sound and the pouring will rhyme. So next thing that you do is to cut the video where the sound stops. So cut every other thing from where the sound stop. You split it and then you delete everything. And because you have merged two videos, you have to be very careful that the two of them end the same place, and then you export. Thank you for watching.